Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Hopefully all of you are good. Okay, in this video, pada video kali ini I will explain about expression of agreement and disagreement. Sebelum kita masuk ke pembahasan materi, kita lihat ya, expression of agreement and disagreement ini ada di kompetensi dasar 3.2, yaitu menerapkan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan teks interaksi transaksional lisan dan tulis yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait maksud, tujuan, persetujuan melakukan suatu tindakan atau kegiatan sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Perhatikan unsur kebahasaan to, in order to, so that, and disagreement. Okay. In the end of the video, I hope all of you can dapat mengidentifikasi ungkapan-ungkapan yang digunakan dalam teks interaksi lisan sangat pendek dan sederhana, melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait ungkapan agreement and disagreement dengan percaya diri. Now, do you know what is agreement and disagreement? Ada yang tahu agreement dan disagreement itu apa? Anyone who know? Expression of agreement. Jadi, agreement dalam bahasa itu adalah persetujuan, and disagreement adalah ketidaksetujuan. Expression of agreement and disagreement is an expression that we use when we agree, ketika kita setuju, or disagree, atau kita tidak setuju with someone's opinion. Take a look at the elements ya. There are two elements in stating agreement and disagreement. Ada dua elemen dalam agreement and disagreement. The first is statement. Yang pertama adalah statement, and then the second is response. Yang kedua adalah respon. Respon ini bisa berupa agreement or disagreement. Take a look at the example. Lihat contohnya. I think English is difficult. I think English is difficult. Ini disebut statement. Ya, ini disebut statement. And then I disagree with you. I disagree with you. Ini disebut respon. Okay? And then there are two expression of agreement and disagreement. Ada dua bentuk ekspresi dari agreement dan disagreement itu. Yang pertama adalah strong, artinya kita sangat yakin setuju atau tidak setuju. 100 agree or 100 disagree. And then the second is mild. Mild, setuju atau tidak setuju, tapi belum sepenuhnya yakin. Okay, there are two expressions, strong and mild. Now we move to bentuk-bentuk ekspresinya. The first is expression of strong agreement. Oke, kita bahas ekspresi dari strong agreement. Yang pertama adalah you are perfectly right. And then that's a great idea. That's exactly how I feel. Absolutely. No doubt about it. I agree. And then the second expression is mild agreement. I suppose so. I guess so. I agree, but tell me more about it. You might be right. And then the third expression is strong disagreement. The first is I don't agree. I don't agree with you. I totally disagree. That doesn't make sense. No way. And then the last expression is mild disagreement. I don't think so. That's not always the case. I'm not sure about that. I don't really agree with you. I don't think so. Yes, but... Oke, itu adalah ekspresi-ekspresinya ya. Sekarang pay attention to the dialogue. There are two children, Karin and Harnum. Karin say, "Hi Harnum, how are you?" "Hi Karin, I'm good. And you?" "I'm fine too. By the way, I miss watching movie at cinema. How about going to cinema next Sunday? Do you agree with me?" "Yeah, I agree with you. How about KKN Desa Penari? I want to watch it. What about your opinion?" "I totally disagree. This movie is not for us. How about Nusarara? I think it's a good movie. Do you agree?" "That's a great idea." Oke, perhatikan ekspresi yang berwarna ungu. How about going to cinema next Sunday? And then, I think it's a good movie. Dua ekspresi ini disebut statement. Oke, dua ekspresi ini disebut statement. Statementnya tentang menanyakan apakah kita setuju atau tidak setuju. And then, tiga ekspresi yang berwarna merah, I agree with you, I totally disagree, and then that's a great idea. Ini disebut response. Responsnya bisa berupa agree or disagree. Okay? Do you get my point? I think enough for today. Thanks for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.